Hey, Bereghost. There, that's better. Bereghost. Bereghost. What are you watching?
Teleport.
Oh, really? No.
No.
Okay. You stay by every heart you break.
Oh, my Rubik.
Rubik's Cube. Nope, I still can't figure out this Rubik's Cube at all. I still can't do it. You want to do another handcuff challenge? But this time we're going to do it on our feet. Should we? Bereghost. Should we? Should we do the next handcuff challenge?
No.
Why? So addicted to your stupid videos. Get a break.
Well, this was funny.
Hey, John. Him, a Bereghost. Bereghost. Can you handcuff me? Can you handcuff me?
Oh, you're so fuck. You suck, fuck.
Okay, stop. Let me figure something. Nope. Hang on. Okay, now get the other one on me.
Handcuffing. This is my job.
So, what are you gonna do to me now? Ow!
Leave you there. That's what I'm gonna do.
Then what? Are you gonna well, at least you're not gonna throw me onto the bed.
I know, I wasn't.
Trying
Oh,
to-
that just gave me a good idea!
What? Ah! Oh! Bereghost, get me off! Help me!
No.
I can escape out of these, you know.
No.
Yeah, I can.
No.
Yes, I can.
No.
Oh, yeah? Ding! Shh.
Hey!
Nothing. Just relax. Just relax.
Hey!
Let's do the handcuff challenge, but this time on our feet.
No, I'm not doing it.
Why?
It doesn't even fit on my feet.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Well, then, will you just give me a chance to give him a try?
No.
Why? Why? God, you're stupid.
God, you stupid. You
Come on.
Suck. Fire!
Still can't solve this Rubik's Cube. At all. Just do it this way then. Nope, still don't got it. Nope, still don't got it. Huh. I don't know what else to do. Guess I'll finish up a video, go vacation. I messed it up yesterday. When it's done charging, tablet's done charging, I'm going to continue Super Mario Galaxy 2. Well, let's get Shrek up.
John, come here. Black pants, the t-shirt, ready? Let me get dressed.
Nope, still don't got it. Let me just do it this way.
Get dressed.
Okay.
Just get dressed.
Let me just do it this way.
Just eat, get dressed, or get sick. What would you do? Get dressed or get sick? Get dressed or sick. Get dressed
So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna end the video because we gotta go. So.
No, we only have to get dressed. We only have to get dressed.
So. Well, go and hand me my jeans and
I said come here.
in the room.
Oink. Oh, come here.
Well,
No, he was just doing a Rubik's Cube.
guess I'm never gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. Well, post in the comment section below if you know how to do this, because I need to know. Well, guess I'm gonna end this. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you had not. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hey, look at that! I got 3 whites in a row, but I still haven't got it.